the crisis in the Ukraine has struck a chord in the global community. People and agencies from around the world have been working around the clock to find ways to help. Aid is pouring in, creating a lifeline for the Ukrainians and giving them access to the basic necessities and medical supplies such as medicines, drugs, blood, syringes, dressings, and wound care packs. And Draganfly is happy to have been selected by Revive Soldiers Ukraine, a top Ukrainian relief agency, to bring our industry-leading medical relief drones to get those potential life-saving supplies and medications to the people who need them the most. Draganfly will provide its drone-based medical delivery platform to Revive Soldiers Ukraine. Revive Soldiers Ukraine communicated the urgent need for medical supplies and equipment in these dangerous and hard-to-reach areas, and our drones will play the critical role in ensuring that these affected areas have access to the aid they require. Our drones and advanced medical payload systems are designed to get help to those who need it most, with the speed and efficiency needed to help save those lives in these most hazardous and inaccessible environments. Our innovative, temperature-managed payload box ensures the efficacy of up to 35 pounds of critical medicines, blood, syringes, dressings, and wound care packs. The unique top-mounted payload design makes deliveries and retrievals safe and more accessible for both medical professionals and civilians alike. We're extremely grateful for the opportunity to have been selected to work with Revive Soldiers Ukraine and support all of those affected in this ongoing crisis. Draganfly has a long and proud history of supporting EMS services and humanitarian aid operations globally. One of Draganfly's crowning achievements was being recognized in 2013 to have had the first drone to ever save a human life during a search and rescue operation. Since then, we've taken search and rescue operations to new heights as our drones fly through these hazardous environments, delivering life-saving supplies to precisely those who need it most. Again, we want to thank Revive Soldiers Ukraine for selecting Draganfly for this all-important call to action that exactly matches our corporate mission to, above all else, save time and lives.